Hey everybody, I just want to do a quick test on this electronic instrument company DC Wideband Oscilloscope. It's a EICO 435. All the knobs and switches are on it and turn. It does have a few scuffs or blemishes here and there. You see the back here. Your fuse, there's your tag, there's the other side. Tilt the bottom down there, kind of hard to see, but it looks pretty good. Handle's in good shape, but it does turn on. I'll dim the lights here so you can see a little better. As you can see, it does turn on. That's about all I know, guys, but I appreciate you watching. Thanks.